So for a mini bike I'm building, I'm using this fuel tank, and it's full of rust, full of crap. And instead of buying, fuel tank cleaner or whatever is out there, I'm just gonna fill it full of vinegar and baking soda. And I've done this on carburetors, and like so carburetors and vinegar, it works just fine. What I use is all natural white vinegar, and it's a baking powder, but I'm pretty sure it's actually baking soda. Just pour it in the tank first, just make sure it doesn't leak out anywhere. Otherwise you got a crappy fuel tank or a bad fuel shut off. But yeah, just pour it in and let it sit overnight. I'm just gonna pour in a little bit and see if it leaks, because I've never used this fuel tank. Yeah. Pour it in until you don't need to fill it up all the way, so you can have it sit upside down if you don't have it vent. Make sure you're setting on something you don't really care about in case it starts leaking or anything like that. But I'm gonna loosely put on the cap in case, like, I don't know, some rat wants to crawl in, but leave it overnight just like that. Come back in the morning and dump it all out. It's currently 8 a.m. so let's see if it really did anything. All that junk and that crap floating around in there. Tank already looks better in there. You can't really see it, but see if I can get any more out.